A 16-year-old girl accused of being the getaway driver in the murder of Caleb Quick was in court this week. The defense denied all charges against her, and the judge ordered she remain in custody. The accused shooter appeared in court earlier this month. So on this Wired Wednesday, GV Wire reporter Anthony Haddad joins us live from the GV Wire studios in Fresno to break down where the case stands right now. Anthony, good morning, and thank you for joining us this morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So what was the atmosphere like in the courtroom, particularly with both families in attendance?
Yeah, absolutely. It's obviously tense. There is a lot of emotions going on. In early May, during those hearings, some of the parents were openly crying within the court. It is hard even for reporters that are sitting in the back of the room to kind of watch this tense atmosphere. All of the families are looking straight forward. Even the suspects, when they're in court, they're not even looking towards their families. Everyone is tense and emotional within these hearings.
And do you mind bringing us up to speed on the current status of the cases involving both suspects?
Yeah, absolutely. So the male juvenile that is accused of doing the shooting will be in court again on July 8th. And the getaway driver, the female juvenile, will be in court on July 15th. And that comes after what happened on Monday.
And I am curious, why did the defense move forward with and I'll probably botch the pronunciation so you can correct me here if I say it wrong, the prima facie hearing request for the female juvenile, only to withdraw it on Monday?
Yeah, absolutely. So the prima facie hearing was meant to say that the female juvenile could not be held in custody, that they did not have enough evidence to really hold her. From what I learned from the attorney's office is that new evidence joined discovery between the case on Friday to Monday, in which they had to waive it. We do not know what that evidence looks like, but it got the defense attorney thinking that maybe it is not the time to try and get the juvenile out of custody.
Also, being involved in this is a co-participant allegation. How might that impact how the court views her role in the case?
Absolutely. So in juvenile court, it's much different than adult court. Both juveniles will have their own trial, their own evidence hearing. Everything is completely separate. So nothing that's happening with the male juvenile's case should be affecting the female juvenile's case. So pretty much when we are reporting, we're going to be saying some of the same things, maybe some of them different, because the defense attorneys will have a different take on what is happening. So these will be two completely different cases. So in the next few months, especially when they're talking about a transfer hearing in which the juveniles could be tried as an adult, we're unsure what it's going to look like, what the defense is going to have, and what evidence each case is going to show.
And we'll definitely be keeping an eye on that to see the updates on both these cases. Anthony Haddad with GV Wired, thank you so much for joining us on this Wired Wednesday.
Thank you for having me.
Great day. We'll be right back.